Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Photoshop tutorial. In this one, we're in the just released Adobe Photoshop 2022, and I'm going to show you the new tool, Mask All Objects. That's right guys, there's a new Mask All Objects tool, which I'll show you how to use, which is quite easy, and I'm going to show you a use case as to why or when you might use it. Alright, first step, I've got a stock image loaded up. Nice and simple. The next step, go up to the top, hit Layer, and then click on Mask All Objects. Now this could take a few seconds if you have an older computer or if you've got a very complicated image. This image isn't too bad. I think it's going to separate it into the 4 or 5 objects in total. But again, yeah, depending on the age of your computer. There we go. Generating masked layer groups automatically from objects. That's what it's doing, and it's going to do a good job. Just watch. Let's now take a look over here in the Layers panel. You're going to see here that it has made masks of the various balls. In fact, there are 4 new masks here. Let's go ahead and click on Background Object 4. Now, that is this ball right here. So we've left-clicked on the mask, and now I'm going to go ahead and just make a change to it. So I'm going to go up to the adjustment, and just to show you, let's say we want to make it a little darker and a little bit more salient or sticking out, so to speak, a feature ball. Alright, I'm going to go ahead up to the adjustments. I'm going to left click on brightness contrast as an example. I am going to delete, I'm going to make it less bright, and I'm going to increase the contrast, and presto, by just doing that, we have just made an adjustment to just that one mask. And by doing that, again, we just create a whole bunch of masks. You select the one you want to operate on or work on, and that's it. And it's an amazing new feature. Anyways, there it is, guys. Layer. Remember to go to Layer, Mask All Objects. Thanks for watching. Ton more stuff coming up. Stay tuned.